is coming together real good. Hey fam, so the truck is back. I'm gonna send a better picture, but this is just a short, quick video. I don't know if the lighting is gonna cooperate, so I'll do it this way. That's the bottom, and then I'll come back up and then do the top. Probably hard for you guys to see, but that's kind of this side. And then this is the opposite side. This is the serving window side. Pictures will go in here. I just didn't have enough money to do everything one time. So this is what I've done so far. So you guys can see that. So that's what it looked like. The sun ain't cooperating today, but that's where we're at. All right, guys. First customers in the new bus. Wave to everybody. Bluegrass Caribbean Chefs. Run right. We're online, ready to go, guys. Next event.